Today, we are going to be playing with some new makeup. Kamusta naman kayong lahat? Hope you guys are all doing well today and of course, sana din safe and happy kayo. Anyway, for today's video, ang gagawin natin is itatry natin itong mga bagong makeup that I have sa aking stash. And actually, all of these are from Zeesea Cosmetics. Some of these actually, I have been keeping sa aking collection for a couple of months now, tapos may ilang mga bago. And ayun, since medyo madami-dami siya, subukan natin today, why not? And look, bumili ulit ako ng glitter liquid eyeshadow nila. This is not a full face video, so basically what I'm gonna do na lang is yung mga products that I don't have, off-cam ko na lang ilalagay sa face. That way, hindi siya time-consuming and also, yung focus lang talaga ng video is sa mga bagong products that I have. This one is yung Zeesea Face Primer. I got this one for $299 and they have 3 variants or options. Meron silang purple which is yung brightening, color green which is for acne sa mga redness, and this one which is yung natural. By the way, this one nga pala yung shelf life niya after opening is 3 years and it contains 30 grams. This is how the packaging looks like, and as you can see, it looks very luxe. Para siyang yung mga Dior foundation. It's made of glass na frosted and meron siyang pump. Medyo madami siyang claims. First one is moisturizing. Second, light texture. Third, it is waterproof. It enhances the skin tone, non-greasy, and it makes your base look smooth. As you can see, medyo thick yung consistency niya. Medyo may faint scent siya, pero very clean and fresh yung amoy. I'm not sure kung ano yung effect sa skin, kaya ang gawin natin is isang side lang muna. Medyo may konting lamig ako na feel sa skin, which I love, of course. It feels really nice. This one actually reminds me of the Korean primer na ginagamit ko, guys. It feels very comfortable sa skin. Medyo may konting tackiness, and to be honest, I don't mind. Especially kapag ka-primer, kasi diba, kapag yung primer nyo is tacky, mas maganda yung kapit ng foundation. I swear, guys, yung texture and feeling niya sa skin is very similar sa Hamish na ginagamit ko. And look at the difference nung merong primer sa wala. Dito sa part na merong primer, mas maaliwalas tignan yung skin, mas bright, and also hindi siya mabigat sa skin. In fairness, it doesn't feel like a cheap primer. Next up, we have the Zeesea Cosmetics Refreshing Silky Powder. 299 pesos lang siya. Super affordable. Look at that packaging. Oh my god, it is so nice. Anyway, so this one is actually just the same sa kanilang British Museum collaboration powder, which is this one. And sobrang sikat nito, guys. Water resistant kasi siya, waterproof. And maglalagay ako ng TikTok video sa screen so that you guys can see. But ayun nga, this one lang happens to be in a different packaging kasi I believe yung British Museum is limited edition. Waterproof siya and oil control. Perfect siya for setting the makeup and also for touching up. Lightweight, it absorbs extra oil. Meron siyang mirror and also powder puff. Maganda yung quality ng powder puff, pang retouch. It doesn't have any scent. Satisfying. ASMR yan. True to its claim, super fine ng texture. This is how the shade B02 looks like. And hopefully, I can make it work. I think I'm B04 or B03. I'm gonna use a brush to apply this because mas sanay ako dito. And usually kapag ka sponge, pang ano lang talaga, retouch ko siyang ginagamit. Very minimal fallout and most of the products talagang sa brush na pupunta or napipick up. Anyway, let's apply. And by the way, yung under eye nga pala, nilagyan ko na ng ibang powder since iba naman talaga ginagamit kong pang set sa under eye. It is a little bit light for my skin tone but I think I can make it work naman since magbo-bronzer pa ako and contour. Very lightweight, true to its claim. And also, since yung powder is finely milled, parang siya, nagsisink in sa pores, making your skin look smoother, parang nabablur yung pores. Maganda siya yung pang set, guys. Just make sure that you get the shade na perfect match sa skin nyo. And once you touch your skin, once you glide your finger, it feels very velvety soft. As usual. Nawala na naman sa isip ko na hindi powder blush yung gagamitin ko and nakapag-powder na ako, nakakaloka. Ito yung blush na gagamitin ko today and this one is called the Zeesea Cosmetics Silky Liquid Blusher. This one actually medyo pricey siya. 399 pesos for 4 ml. Pero mukha kasing promising kaya sabi ko go na nga kahit medyo pricey. Unfortunately, nung bumili ako nito, guys, isa na lang yung available na shade and up until now, upon checking, they only have one shade. They only have one shade available and that is si Sakura. And I also love na hindi siya yung typical na tube na diretso lang, di ba? It doesn't have any weird scent. Meron tong glitter by the way, but pinong-pino siya kaya sabi ko okay lang, I don't mind. And parang medyo golden yung kanyang shimmer. Maganda siya kapag in-spread and I feel like hindi naman sobrang makaka-emphasize ng texture since nga finely milled yung kanyang shimmers. Hopefully mabilis i-blend kasi I feel like medyo mabilis mag-set. I personally don't like using the applicator directly directly sa cheeks because I feel like unhygienic. Kaya sa likod na lang ng kamay. Ganda niya kapag ka na-blend. Oh my God. Oh, this is good. And of course, since liquid siya guys, I suggest na instead of swiping, i-dab nyo lang siya para hindi mag-move yung base. Ang lakas maka-fresh ng color niya. Ang ganda ng pagka-pink. Sobrang fresh, sobrang youthful, ang healthy tignan. Blending-wise, hindi naman ako nagka-problem guys. It's very easy to blend. Again, kapag ka dinadab, hindi siya nagiging patchy, nagiging streaky. Pigmentation is really good kasi buildable siya. It's not like yung super intense na kapag ka nilagay mo, ganun, ano na siya, ayun na, maaano mo talaga siya, makokontrol. The quality and how it looks like sa skin, it's really nice. This one talagang ano siya, nagsaset. For the eyes naman, actually, we have two options. And both of these palettes actually came from the Alice in Wonderland British Museum collab. Hence, super cute ng component. Anyway, this is the first one and yung tawag dito is, basahin ko para hindi ako magkamali. According dito, yung palette is called the British Museum Alice and Flamingo Eyeshadow Palette. This one cost 999 pesos. And grabe guys, ang ganda ng packaging nito. Look at that. This is so perfect for everyday kasi diba kung gusto mo lang ng wash of color, ganun, tapos may konting pop of shimmer inside and out, diba? Sobrang nice niya. Anyway, moving on, this is the next eyeshadow palette that we have and yung tawag dito is the Alice 9-Pan Palette. This one naman, 299 lang siya and apat yung variants na meron sila. And actually, binili ko siya because I don't have anything like this, I think, sa collection ko. And also, I wanna try the affordable muna, diba? Para, eto siya kapag ka naka-close, super cute nung kanyang design. I love it. Even though wala siyang mirror, actually, ang cute. Eto siya guys, once you open it, and yung reason kung bakit pinurchase ko to is actually because this one reminds me of those Roman eyeshadow palettes and yung mga, you know, typical na Korean brands. 10 grams yung kanyang laman and yung PAO niya is also 3 years. Pinong-pino yung mats. Here is the complete swatches. Anyway, since we're using light colors sa eyes, I'm gonna be applying a primer and this one is the Zeesea Cosmetics Lasting Eye Primer. This one actually matagal na sa akin. I've had this for like almost a year. Medyo nagbabalat pa din yung ano ko guys, around sa eye area, but actually medyo nabawasan na siya, which is good. Kasi nakaka-stress na siyang tignan. Ito yung first shade na gagamitin ko guys, yung lilac all over my lid. Medyo powdery siya, which is typical. Tapos what I'm gonna do is ipapop ko lang siya all over my lid. And of course, i-blend natin yung edge to make it soft. Of course, you can also use white concealer if you want para talagang mas intense, mas kitang-kita yung kulay. But for me, okay na yung ganito. This time, ang shade naman na i-pick up natin is this one. Just to, you know, add a little bit of depth sa outer and also sa inner. Tapos ayan, dagdagan lang natin ng konti pa to build it up. Ang gawin natin is i-blend yung edge. Of course, sa lower lash line, lagay din tayo ng purple. Ang ganda ng pagka-purple because reddish yung undertone. Kaya when you look at it, diba, hindi siya mukhang pasa. Using a flat brush na medyo binasa ko ng setting spray, I'm going to pick up this shade. Nagsha-shift yung color niya. Purple, pink, tapos may hint of parang gold. Ilalagay ko lang siya sa center. Like that. By the way, light-handed nga lang pala ako. Hindi ko siya talagang tinotodo. I love it! Oh my God, it's so nice. Actually, ito na lang din gagamitin ko sa inner corner, guys. Kasi feeling ko bagay siya. Diba? And also, sa lower lash line, lagay tayo konti. So, I also got this waterproof mascara from Zeesea and yung tawag dito is the Slender Mascara. You guys know me, hindi ako mahilig bumili ng mascara kasi diba, I already have my Holy Grail and pare-pareho lang naman sila kapag nakalagay sa eyes. But this one yung reason kung bakit pinurchase ko siya is because slim yung kanyang applicator. Ayan, diba? As you can see, super fine nung kanyang wand. I'm actually going to apply falsies, but you know, just for the sake of trying, diba? Oh, wow. Dude. And in fairness sa formula niya, hindi siya yung klase ng mascara na basang-basa. There's definitely lengthening and volumizing. So yung first claim is meron siyang vitamin B5 and collagen to nourish lashes. It is long-lasting, not easy to smudge, waterproof, and quick drying. Sa lower lash line, off-cam ko na lang ilalagay guys ha, kasi baka mamaya maging messy. You guys probably already know how much I love yung kanilang liquid eyeshadow, kaya naman bumili pa ako ng 4. Hindi ko talaga matiis pag glitter. So again, 4 yung shades na kinuha ko. Yung isa is actually a backup ni number 1, which is yung favorite ko, and yung 3 naman is yung ilan sa mga bagong shades na meron sila. And iswatch natin guys. So this one is si number 1, which is yung aking favorite. This one is really good kasi guys, sa kahit anong eyeshadow shade, pwedeng-pwede nyo siyang gamiting topper. This one is number 6 and white siya na may... Ooh, hindi ko na-expect. Iba yung applicator niya guys. This is basically a tip na applicator. So basically this one... Oh my god, this is good. Hopefully you guys can see, but ito siya. Next up, we have number 12, and this one medyo unique yung color. Kasi parang may pagka-purple and pink naman siya. And same kay number 6, iba-iba yung size ng glitter. And last one is si number 13. And ito naman siya. Again, this one is si number 13. Ang hirap mag-decide ng gagamitin. Ito yung dalawang pinag-iisipan ko. I think ito na lang 12. This is not? Oh my god! Look at that! Oh my god! And since iba-iba yung size ng glitter, ang ganda ng texture na binibigay niya sa mata. Kaya kapag tinatamaan ng ilaw or kaya nagmo-move ka, di ba? Ang ganda ng effect. Oh my god, I love this so much. 120 pesos, guys. Oh my god. Para naman sa highlight, ang gagamitin natin is the Zeesea Cosmetics Highlight Pressed Powder. This one is 239 pesos. It contains 5 grams and actually lahat sila 3 years yung PAO. 4 yung shades na meron dito, guys. By the way, the box looks amazing. Look at that. Even the actual component, it is so cute. High gloss powder siya. Powder is fine and smooth. Super bright at one touch. So basically blinding. Oh my god, this... Ngayon ko lang siya na-open actually kaya hindi ko alam. Oh my god, this is so nice! Parang silky, soft. Yun nag-glide yung finger. Hindi siya yung powder na typical. Ito yung highlight na gagawin parang glass skin yung ano mo, face. Lagay tayo sa tip ng nose. See that? Ito nga yun, guys. Yung ginagawang glossy yung skin. Hindi siya yung klase ng highlighter na merong base underneath. So basically, shimmer lang talaga to. Sa high point ng cheek, see that, diba? Hindi siya yung highlight na na-alter yung color ng inyong base, foundation, or blush. As in, naglalagay lang talaga siya ng shimmer. Medyo napadami. And also, diba, look at that. Kapag nakaharap ako, wala siya ng parang white cast or shadow sa ilalim. This is amazing. Pwedeng-pwede nyo din siyang gamitin para sa brow bone, sa inner corner. Actually, even eyeshadow for sure. You can make this work. Ito yung lipstick na gagamitin ko today, guys. Unfortunately, hindi siya bago, but this one is also from Zeesea Cosmetics. Nakalimutan ko na yung tawag, but this one is in the shade 301. And if ever na available pa, ilalagay ko na lang sa description. Diba? Parang MLBB lang siya. Tapos meron siyang glitter. But the good thing is, yung glitter nito, pinong-pino siya. Kaya hindi siya gritty, hindi uncomfortable, and ang nice. Ang ganda ng effect na binibigay. Ginagawang plump and juicy yung lips. Again, 301 yung shade nito. And here we have it, guys. This is the completed look. For first impressions, I'm super happy kasi I feel like everything worked really, really well sa aking face. These two together, super nice. Kasi up until now, ang ganda pa din ng base ko. Very intact pa din. As always, sa gilid lang ng ilong, medyo nagkikake, which is normal sa akin. And also dito, guys, sa part na to ng nose, ayun lang yung nag-move ng konti. All of these products are definitely worth trying. Kaya naman kung meron dito isa, dalawa, or kahit tatlo pa, gusto nyo subukan, go ahead, give them a try. At diba, most of these, less than 300 pesos. Yung pinaka-expensive lang talaga is the blush, which happens to be 399. But yung iba, diba, 299, 19 something. If you enjoyed watching, of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Of course, as always, lahat ng product na ginamit ko nasa description box, kaya i-check nyo na lang yung mga links. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much. Stay safe. And I hope to see all of you again on my next one.